What up, fam? Today we're going over the top 5 intangible things that fathers want for Father's Day on their wish list. Stick with me. Welcome to Toy's Food Chronicles. Once again, this is Toy, and this channel was made to help the average home cook and backyard grill cook prepare stunning meals for their families and guests, as well as bring people together through the soul and spirit of food. And if you like the content that you see here, we just want to say, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and click the notification bell for updates on everything that we do here at the channel. I am excited about this episode. Most happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there and all of you single mothers out there pulling double duty. You all are awesome. I just want you to know that you are appreciated. We're going to get right into it. So we've done 2 episodes prior to this one. It is all on a playlist. The first episode that we did was just general tangible items that fathers wanted on their wish list. I also asked a lot of fathers what they wanted as far as cookery items. You guys came through in a very, very mighty way, and I chose the top 5. Just so you guys know, it just wasn't in the top 5, but a lot of guys did request knives. And so they are in the link below in the description. However, we did not talk about the different knives. Today, we are talking about things that are intangible. The number 1 intangible item for fathers is fishing and boating with the whole family. Number 2 on our list of intangible items that fathers want is a day at the beach with their families. Number 3 intangible item that fathers want is sitting on the couch and watching television, a sports game or the US Open or things like that. Not to say that the US Open isn't sports. It doesn't matter. I combine them together. You know what I mean? They want a relaxing day with their families.
Here's a quick interlude. I always say, don't love to be loved, love to love. Meaning, you're not loving people so you get anything in return or to get something like tangible goods. You love just to love because it's the right thing and a good thing to do. With that being said, I am requesting that you check out some of our Love to Love merch. This line of clothing, mugs, and other apparel is based on that heart. So if you would like to support the channel and see more content like this, click in the link below in the description. Now back to our regular programming.
This one is a doozy. So number 4, a lot of men just wanted their kids and or their grandkids all in one place at the same time, getting along and just being with each other. And that sounds awesome to me, I say that. And number 5 on our list is give and receive love. I know it sounds maybe cliche, but to me that is really, really strong. Notice that it says give and receive love. You know what my saying is on here all the time. It's don't love to be loved, it's love to love. So for me, to give and to receive love is an amazing thing. All right, fam. So a bonus intangible item literally, I believe, wraps all of these up into 2 things. So when I think of love, I think of one very, very specific word, and that is sacrifice. So all of these can be wrapped up in sacrifice. So your husband or your father may not like the exact same things you do. So you might have to sacrifice and go fishing, or you might have to sacrifice and sit through a football game or the US Open. If it was the US Open, I promise I would have to sacrifice to sit through that. I believe as far as a bonus intangible item is quality time. And when you are sacrificing and showing that love, because I believe that's what love is, sacrifice, an element of it, I should say. And then the other element is quality time. That's definitely my love language for sure. My wife loves to go to museums. I would definitely go to a museum for her and sacrifice. It's not really a sacrifice, I'm not gonna lie. I love museums. Anyway, so the bonus intangible item that I believe that all of these gentlemen were getting at is that they wanted to spend quality time with their families, and they wanted them to sacrifice for them. So this has been top 5 intangible items on the Father's Day wish list. Once again, as I always say, don't love to be loved, love to love.